Okay, welcome back to Rick's Radio Conversions. Today we've got Greg's 55 Thunderbird radio. This is a town and country radio, and this is kind of part one. We've taken everything apart, and we're checking out to make sure that the torque drive motor and the relay work. And Frank is an FMR1, so we need to have the forward and reverse switches for the motor. We've got that all done. The FMR2 uses the MC1 motor drive board and does away with all this. But anyway, you can see Frank is just about all tricked out with every piece of wire coming out on the board. And this is going to act as our seek ground. So we're going to see how this works. Notice how the dial moves on these town and countries. Little ABBA. And we've got the original factory. This is just a volume and a tone. The on-off switch is not built into the radio. It's right here, and we've got the LED on over there for simulating the on-off switch. You can see here, this says off, so this is what the off is, and then the LED is now off, and now we're back on, and we've even got the preset set already on this. These are kind of neat. You unscrew it 2 turns, hit your preset, and retighten it, and that's it. This is before the pull out and set in, and we'll do all that in the final episode. And we're just going to go ahead and drive back up again. Now we're getting towards the end of the dial. See the needles here. Now back here, you can see the forward switch getting ready to spin backwards. This is 106.9. And now we're spinning back down the dial.
An average worker can.
This is how it was done in the mid-50s with the town and country before they went to the screw drive system. Kind of cool how they did it back then, huh? All while the tuner was actually spinning. And this still works as it did before. Now this is kind of unique that. So if you were manually tuning, you went all the way to the end of the dial. I don't know if you heard that, but the up switch is just tripped. But if you manually tune back down again, right, the radio though thinks that you're still at the end here now. But we manually tuned way down here. So now when we hit it, see it's automatically going to go back down the dial. That's pretty cool, I think. I could probably play with this all day. Anyway, I just kind of thought I'd show you all before we take all this apart, and we're going to sandblast all this for the customer. It's sorry, we're freehanding it. This is pretty rusty. The inside of the case is pretty rusty. It's got about 60-something years of corrosion on it. We'll fix all that, but the motor still works though, and the relay is good. So.
Look, in the perfect ideal world.
you're going to ask, you know, how do we make that work? How do we make the search work? Well, this is the town and country piece of it. So if you're in town, you would hit this one, which would kind of discriminate against the weak signals and only give you the strongest. If you're out in the country, this will get anything you want. If you're out in the middle of nowhere. So we'll get all that together. That kind of goes up here somewhere. Kind of get an idea. That's what we're doing with this guy right here. It's just a grounding switch. There's our little Mellencamp. So anyway, we just kind of thought we'd share this video from Mr. Powell there. We'll get it all painted up nice and get the needle painted up good and everything and get it back to them. That's it for this episode. Thanks. Bye.